Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make an image, the home button in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website, and first we're going to add the image. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to add the image right here on the header so that the users can always click on the image to navigate to the home button. So again, click on Add Elements. You can choose if you want to upload your own images right here in Wix, but you can also choose some pictures right here on the Wix Gallery, Shutterstock, or Unsplash. So I already have my image right here, which is an example of a logo, so we can just use this one and then click on Add to Page, and then we can just adjust the size. Let's adjust the size first, and then we'll attach this to our header. Then from here, we can click on Settings, and then we can edit this image behavior right here so that when an image is clicked, a link opens, or it opens in a pop-up, or it can be magnified. But since we're going to do is that we will navigate it to the home page, we can just first click on Choose a Link, and then we can click on a page right here. So we will select the home page, which is this one, and then what we're going to do is that it will open in the current window. So we can just click on Done, and then we can test it out. So we can just click on Preview, so we'll just first go to another page, which is the About page. We'll just click on this one, and then now once we click on our image, it will lead us to the home page. So I'm clicking on it right now, and then we can see that it has led us to the home page as well. So we can see that the image link that we have created is working. So it's a bit long waiting time earlier, so because the website is loading, but now we'll try it again. And now it also leads us to the home page. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to add the image link to a home page in Wix, and thank you for watching.